최고!
Well now, it is, it's been a hot minute. Very, very hot, long minute of nothingness. Nothing, exactly. It's just been a black void of absolute emptiness. That void is now becoming a thing, and it's become me. The void is now me, and I've returned with a hard dick. Wait, no, that's not what I was supposed to. You know what? Just ignore this. Anyways, I am back. That's right, I am back to watching SMG4. I know you guys have missed me. Oh, yes, you have. Yeah, you wouldn't stop commenting about where's SMG4, even though I specifically said I wasn't gonna come back till March, but most people apparently just ignored that thing I said and just kept asking, react to this again. But again, I was not coming back to March. But it's March now, so I'm back. So hooray. Yeah. So, to start off my grandiose return to SMG4, I thought long and, pretty hard about what I should do to return to the series, and well, I came up with this option, and it's, obviously, watch an SMG4 video. Yeah, this was a pretty tough choice. I thought at first maybe I should watch an SML video, or possibly do Cuphead, or Velma, to show my grand return to SMG4. But in the end, I decided SMG4 instead. And I feel like that was the right decision, I think that was the right choice. Hope you agree with me. So, anyways, today we are going to be watching the couple of months old SMG4 video. Mario reacts to cursed mobile game ads. Oh, well, that's a fun one to start off with, or not, if you've seen mobile game ads. Those are something to behold. Yeah, they are just, this should be fun. Yeah, I think I'm gonna get quite the experience from watching all these mobile game ads. Yeah, they're gonna be a riot. Yeah, I'm so weird right now. Yeah, bring on the games. I can't wait to see what kind of gameplay I'm gonna be able to behold. Yeah. So come along with me, friends, as me and Mario watch mobile game ads. Kill me already.
Nice.
Huh?
If you reach level 2, you're legally a pumpkin.
Excuse me? I'm gonna be a pumpkin? What? Oh shit. I guess I'm a pumpkin now.
Wow.
Well, that's stupid.
Garbage.
I know, right?
What the f am I looking at?
I don't know. What is this? What is the point of this game? Excuse me? What did we achieve? What did we do?
Man, I love mobile ads.
I don't.
What's up, everyone? I'm Mike, and this is my girlfriend.
Oh.
Okay, she's just
no,
my
it's
girlfriend in the
I'm
game.
sorry,
These
what?
guys.
And while we're at it, happened to kill.
Oh dear lord, this is
Come on,
sad.
please.
This is the saddest thing I've ever witnessed in my life. Yeah, this guy's definitely never gonna be bitches. Let me tell you. And this is a game you gotta be kidding.
No.
I'm not surprised, but
What's wrong with you?
God.
It is my turn.
Ew, child, get rid of that. Oh, disgusting.
Whoa!
Is it that easy?
Yeah. It can't be that easy to study. Well, if it is, then why don't we just give it a try? Oh my god, yeah, I can feel it. Oh yeah, Daddy, yeah, you keep smashing that button. Oh my god, the knowledge it's coursing through my fluff. Oh yeah. Oh, Daddy.
Smash.
Oh hell yeah. Oh, keep on going. Make me feel, man.
Right.
Make me feel.
This is gonna be good.
It's you, blue hair. red-haired girl.
Ebony's a puzzle game where you have to save the guy from the ugly monster. I
Wow,
actually downloaded
that-
this game thinking it was
that
gonna be
sounds
super
terrible.
easy.
Why-
But I keep
why
dying
would
to
I
some of these
play
Just
that?
look, this is me. Just look. This is me playing. I just can't seem to pass these puzzles.
What?
Little Ebony, the king's return today.
Excuse me.
I just want to talk to him.
Why do you have a shotgun?
I just want to talk to him.
Say no. This is not. We gotta talk to him.
just wanna
No,
talk to
no.
him.
Shut
I
the
just wanna
hell
show
up,
him.
you
I
bitch.
just wanna
Okay,
talk to him.
yes, we can.
Mamma
The
mia!
hell?
Hi.
What? 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 Yeah, let's try it out. I feel like people will just love the fact that we're just taking a
Hi.
shit with them. Hey, bud, you want to be in love?
Did it work?
No, we did not.
Maybe I can help.
That'll be $85. La la la.
They're poor. It was funny because they were poor. Oh, wow, you got a pickaxe to escape jail. Wait, what? How does that work? That doesn't make sense, but whatever. This should probably help us in real life, right? So, where's our pickaxe? Oh, yeah, that didn't
Hey,
work.
hold on. What
The
is
hell
this?
is this?
Oh my, I'm tingling all over.
What?
Just a little bit down there.
What is
Oh,
that?
this feels so good. Just a little bit down there. Keep filling. Don't stop. Never stop.
What the fuck? Why? Why? Who makes shit like that? What is this?
Hey yo, what the?
What? Oh,
This will be
shit.
good.
Oh shit, here we go.
you blind? I'm not gonna be kind.
Yeah, this
hell
ain't
is
giving
that?
me the vibes.
You can do better than
I
that.
can't dance to
Where
this.
are your eyes? Did you eat them with ice?
What's this? Come on now, do rapper.
That one there was a
stuff.
violation.
Like
Personally,
that.
I wouldn't have it.
Marge said I should get out of my
Right.
comfort zone, so I tried this new game, and oh boy, am I in the zone!
Oh. Yeah, this is
Let
loads
me
of
show
fun.
you. You gotta tap here, it's right there, and woohoo! Pink color!
Hey, bud, are you okay? Oh, no, he's not. No. Hell, hey, maybe we should back the hell
Genshin
up.
Impact is an open-world action RPG game available on PC,
They broke
Android,
it.
iOS,
They
and
broke
PlayStation
it.
4 and 5.
It's
Step into
time
a
to put
vast
it back on.
magical...
The hell is this? Oh, we had to decide who lives or dies.
Please help me.
Which ass is nicer? Nope. Ah! Oh, come on, we could have spanked at least one of them! You let the bitches escape, you! No!
Use hammer to kill them. What? How could I strike the ground? Oh no.
Okay, what the hell is this?
Wind them to the right. Then
Okay,
use thorns to kill them.
who on God's earth would ever,
They are not at the
ever
place
even
to
play
play.
this? Like, what's the point?
What?
How is this fun? I mean, would you even
What's
want
hap-
to be the— Oh.
Nope.
Oh my god. I found a dumbass that would play that shit. Wow. Wow, what gameplay? Oh yeah, that would be an ow, huh? Wow. The click of a button. We can just get shit without any sort of like progression or, you know, showing that we earn them. But you know what, who cares? It's at the click of a button. Well, at least we have food now. Did it. Hooray.
This isn't
Hallelujah. Shut the hell up. I don't give a shit how to play your stupid ass, bitch ass game.
Should I buy?
You dance to do the boogie boogie?
Look how cute he is.
Why is that there?
But now I have to sleep on the floor.
What? I don't get it. Wait, what? We're supposed to earn money from this shit? Okay, yeah, let's just sell our house for this shitty ass game and get koalas or whatever that was. Oh damn! You know what? This is my kind of game. Man, look at the progression. Oh man, I got some goals now. Now this is a game I can get behind on and slap. Oh well, that seems like that would kill us. Maybe we should move away.
I wish for bitches.
Oh please, like that. Drew it. Oh, well I stand
Hell
corrected.
yes.
God, I would also like some bitches. And, oh, what?
Run, bitch! Run!
What? Well, I just went again.
I'm gonna get you out of here!
What? Okay, out of any sort of like stupid mobile gamey thing, this is not what I expected it to turn into.
I'm so sorry.
No, I guess I should be sad now. Oh, poor Dickie Joe. He died, didn't he? Oh. Huh. Oh, he didn't die, but he suffered a fate worse than death. Oh, no man should suffer for that, unless they were gay. But still, poor soldier. Dickie Joe will be missed. After that, he's never having sex again. You know, I just want to give a moment of silence to Dickie Joe. That guy, no, that man, he had game. Inside of that game, he was a true Chad until the end. So let's just give this brave soul a moment of silence. I'm sorry. I'm getting a bit emotional here. I'm good. All right. I think that's enough. So, anyways, guys, that was the brand new SMG4 video. And that was good. That was a fun time. Real fun time. I've seen a lot of these mobile game ads. And yeah, they're as cringy as they've always been. But still just hilarious to just witness just the stupidity that are these mobile games. I mean, did you well, obviously you saw them, but come on now. Like, half of these are just like, who would even play this? Like, and some of them are just not even related to the actual game. Like that girl on the toilet, like, why? Just why? And also that one guy who's acting as if he's playing the game. The man had an empty phone case. Like, you cannot be serious. Come on now. And then I'm not the father. Like, that's a game. The guy started doing a little dance after he realized this. Ah, man, you gotta love these cursed mobile game ads. They are a riot, especially the one with the poor people. That's the best one. But anyways, I guess that's it for me. So thank you all for watching. Please like, subscribe, and of course, I'm gonna see y'all next time. Everybody, goodbye.